Hi guys, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back to share a couple projects that I created with some dies from In Love Art Shop, and I was lucky enough to guest design for them for a second time, so I had a lot of fun picking out some dies, new dies from their shop with Halloween crafting in mind. So this is one of the ones I picked out. It says Happy Halloween, and it's super cute with a little spider web in the middle and a hanging spider there, and it cuts like a really nice intricate little sentiment there. So this is one, and then I picked up this one here, and when I first picked this out I thought it was going to be like a little treat box, just shaped like a skull, but like in the shape of a box. It's a little different but still really cute. So I picked that one out. And then I picked this set of nesting dies out. I thought this was a really nice shape, and I love the stitching detail. And you get quite a few. I think there's 7 total in this set. So really good deal on that one. And then I picked this one up. It's like a little cake slice box, and it is small. But it's super cute for just like adding some little small goodies like little treats or candy. Just a little something, or to include in Happy Mail too. So really cute. And then this one here, I picked this one out. It's a little tag shape, and then it comes with its own little pocket that you can stick the tag into. So I thought that one was cute. And then this bow also. I love the shape of that bow. It kind of reminds me of a Disney bow, just this part here. So really cute. So those are the dies that I picked out. And let me see. I used the nesting die set, and I just cut out the largest piece and then the next one down to make this little layered tag. And this one I've only done the 2 layers. I popped up the second layer with some foam tape, and I'm not sure if I'm going to make another little tag or decorate a gift bag, or I can even put this on a greeting card. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this one yet. This one I did the same thing, just different papers, and I think this is a paper pad that I picked up last year on clearance at Michael's, and I think it's called Dead and Breakfast Inn. I'm not positive, but I think that's what it's called. Super cute paper pad, so I was happy to find it in my stash. And then I also cut out the Happy Halloween using some kind of glittery orange paper. And I thought it turned out really cute. As you can see, it's really intricate and super cute, I think, for a sentiment. And then I just added a little gold bow, a button, and then some bling. And I added the button because the bling looked kind of small. So I like how that turned out, just adding a little button and then bling on top, and it makes it look like a little bit bigger for the center of the bow there. And then these are also from last year or the year before from one of the dollar stores, and it's just one of those little plastic rings. And I just cut off the ring part and attached the little bat here, and there is a little piece of a doily underneath that too, because I wanted the word Happy Halloween to kind of stand out. So there's that. And then I made another one, and this one I did add to a little plain gift bag that I had in my stash. So same thing pretty much, just did a double layer, popped up on some foam. This time I used some black glitter paper to cut out the Happy Halloween. Not sure if you can see that clearly. And then I added a silver bow, a little bling there, and another one of the little bats. And then just added some little bling to the corners here to add a little something, and some cute little ribbon that I had in my stash. And then I wanted to kind of hold it on without adding another tag that would hang over this. So I just used one of these clips here, and then I just attached one of these cute little flowers that I picked up at Dollar Tree. And I thought that was a really cute way to just clip this little piece onto the bag without, and kind of keep this, it kind of keeps it in place too. So there's the little gift bag I created with that. And then I did want to share also the little tag all cut out. This is super cute, and you can see the size. It's not really big, but it's really cute. So I just decorated it up. Added a little felt bat that I had in my stash. I think they're either from Michael's or I want to say Michael's, but it could be from one of the dollar stores too. I haven't picked up too much because I have a lot in my stash and I'm just trying to use up what I have. And then from his little expression, I decided to put this little sentiment that says, "Oh snap," because he kind of looks like, I don't know. He has a weird little look on his face, so I thought that went well with that. And added some twine here on top, and there's the tag that goes on the inside. And these are just Nuvo drops and some pom-pom trim at the bottom. So really cute tag shape. And then these are the little cake boxes. I haven't really finished decorating them, but I did want to cut them up and put them together just to share what they look like. So here's one, and I think it's a cute little size. And what I'm planning to do is decorate them a little, but also I think it would be cute to make like a separate little box or container of some sort. And I have to cut one more out, but I think I'm going to do a set of 3 and just kind of put them in a row like this in another little box, and then add little goodies or treats to that. So there's those, cute. And then these are the bows, and I think it's a really cute shape. So these I layered really simple, no foam or anything, just kind of a flat bow. This one and this one. And then this one here, I decided to add a little bit of foam tape in between the layer of the little tails here and the bow. And I like this one. It has just a little bit more dimension. I think I'm going to just start adding foam to everything. It's so cute. So there's the bows. And let me see. Oh, the little skeletons. These I thought turned out so cute. So as you can see, it's not a treat box. It's more of just like a little skull shape that kind of, stands on its own. And I didn't, it's kind of open here at the sides. So I don't know, maybe you can put in like if you do it before you close it up completely, like one of those little tea lights would be cute on the inside here, the battery operated ones. So yeah, but it's not a separate little treat box that opens up. It's just kind of stationary. But I have another idea for this as well, but I thought this one turned out so cute. I decided to make it into like a little sugar skull design. So I used my Nuvo drops and added black Nuvo drops around the eyes, and then some of the colorful ones around the chin area here. Made some little flower designs here and on the little forehead. So I thought that was super cute and made it just more festive and colorful and not quite so scary. And then another one of these little Dollar Tree flowers there. And these flowers were actually kind of a gold. I could not find my black flowers, so I just used my spray. Let me see, I think it's this one here. It's a Heidi Swapp Color Shine spray that I've had for a while. This is tinsel, but I do have a black one. So that's what I used. I just sprayed the flowers, and I didn't completely spray them because I did like the gold kind of peeking through. So there's that, and then I added another one of the little bats in there just to give it some interest. So super cute. I love how that one turned out. A little skull. And I don't know how to put it so you can see it a little. And then I decided to make another one, like a little matching guy skull here, and I used black paper on this one. And then before I closed it up completely, on this one I did add some little vellum underneath. I just cut it to fit this area here, and then it was a perfect spot so I could add some eyes and not leave it open, so it just has some little orange bling for the eyes. And I do like the vellum on this one. And then just decorated him up a little bit different. I made a little cone hat and added some silver tinsel, not tinsel, what are these, pipe cleaners, sorry, I couldn't think of the word. So it's a silver pipe cleaner that I just kind of wrapped around a pencil and then put it underneath the little cone hat. Added a little spider from my stash and a little black pom-pom there. So here's the little guy version of the skull. So super cute dies and really fun projects. I had a lot of fun creating with these dies and for Halloween. So I hope you enjoyed my little share, and I will link in Love Art Shop in the description box below so you can check them out if you like. And that's it, guys. Thanks again for stopping by my channel. Let me know what you guys think, and if you're crafting for Halloween or what you're working on. It's always fun to read your comments. All right, guys, thanks for stopping by. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.